Hey guys, welcome to Digi review. In this video, I am going to discuss about Stoodaio. It's one of the real-time artificial intelligence web application used for the video creation. It still sounds too good to be true, so allow me to introduce you to Stoodaio. You will now be able to have the real artificial intelligence. It creates unique profit producing videos for you at just push of button for any niche, any language, any products or any service in less than 3 minutes. Shocking, right? After using our app, it will be nearly impossible to tell the difference between videos that a professional video creator made and videos created by Stoodaio. In fact, let me prove it you even further. And now it's time to walk the walk. Let me show you just how easy it is to have a Stoodaio write, create, host and publish videos for you. So let me check out some of the amazing videos Stoodaio created for us. It's 100% automatically. For example, if it's a dog niche, and if you take an example of a baby niche,
how to help your baby sleep better. When your baby is sleeping, you want him or her to stay asleep. There are many ways to achieve this goal, but most of them require you to do a lot of work and sometimes even sacrifice quality time with your child. If you want to get your baby to sleep better, there are several things you can do that will make a huge difference in the way your child sleeps. If you take these steps, you will see an improvement in your child's sleep habits almost immediately.
and it's like keto in a Spanish example, cryptonish example. Yes, it's 100% of the videos above were fully created by the Stoodaio of artificial intelligence. I know it's a bit scary, right? Josh, all of this looks amazing, but how will Stoodaio make me money? That's probably what some of you are wondering. If you have not already realized the true power of what you are witnessing here today, video marketing is one of the most in today's online world of business. So to get more traffic instantly, build trust, skyrocket profit and build brands online. If you are interested to know more about the product, please check out the link in the description box.